Привет! Hello everyone who's here to improve their Russian. With this video, we continue the series of lessons about personal pronouns. Я, ты, мы, вы, он, она, оно, они. And we also talk about how these pronouns change in a sentence according to the function in the sentence. So in this lesson, you're going to learn about these personal pronouns in the accusative case. You'll learn how to change them and when and why to do so. First of all, let's see how we change the personal pronouns in the accusative case. In the first column, you see the personal pronouns in their nominative case form, the initial or dictionary form. Я, ты, мы, вы, он, она, оно, они. And right next to it, there are the accusative case forms. Я, меня, ты, тебя, мы, нас, вы, вас, он, его, оно, его, она, ее, они, их. Well, in total there are 6 grammar cases in Russian. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But you'd better memorize them by their names. First one is nominative, then accusative, then prepositional, then genitive, dative, and instrumental. Today we're talking about the accusative case. So all the 6 cases are 6 different types of situations. That is, whatever situation you may be talking about belongs to one of these 6 types of situations. We call them cases. The phrase «Ты красивая», you are beautiful, is not the same as the phrase «Я тебя люблю», I love you, «Я тебя люблю». Because in the first phrase, we're talking about physical appearance, some permanent physical characteristics of a person. While in the second phrase, I love you, я люблю тебя, the person, the you, becomes the object of the action of loving. Now, as you can see, for one same person to be physically attractive and to be an object of somebody else's actions are 2 completely different situations, right? So I'm sure you can feel this difference, whatever your mother tongue is. But in Russian, we want to emphasize this difference by using different forms of the same word. So the situations are different. We must show it in different forms of the same words. So after the action verb любить, we use the accusative case forms. But not only after that verb, also after the verb слушать, смотреть, учить, знать, готовить, покупать, платить за, брать. Это Макс. Я знаю его давно. Ты слушаешь рок? Нет, я не слушаю его. Мне нравится джаз. Ты умеешь готовить борщ? Да, я умею и люблю готовить его. Ты смотришь сериалы? Нет, я не смотрю их. Хороший Wi-Fi. Сколько ты платишь за него? Now these forms get the letter N at the beginning when a preposition is used. So, you can watch anything without a preposition. For example, смотреть фильм. Смотреть его. Смотреть новости. Смотреть их. But if you look at something, then you need to use the verb смотреть plus the preposition на plus the accusative case. Смотреть на. Ты уже час смотришь на эту девушку. Почему? Я смотрю на нее, потому что она красивая. Вчера в музее я смотрел на эту картину. Я смотрел на нее и думал о художнике. Great, you just learned how to use personal pronouns in the accusative case. I hope this lesson was useful for you, and I remind you that to actually start speaking Russian, you have to dedicate more of your time and focused attention. And for those of you who are willing to start speaking Russian actively in the nearest future, there is an online course by me that takes only 15 minutes of your time. You watch small video lessons and then I call you on the phone to talk to you in Russian like this. You put everything you learned in the lesson right into practice with me. This course has two programs, for complete beginners and for those who already speak Russian on a basic level. So click on the link in the description box to enroll in this course and try it for free. Спасибо, что вы учите русский. Пока!